Hello, I'm David Chaston with 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz. This week, everything you need to know in 90 seconds at 9 o'clock. With news, China is back from its national holiday, having spent up large during it. But first in the US, data released overnight shows first home buyers rushed into the market in 2017, making 38% of all American single-family home purchases, the biggest share since 2000. The 2.07 million new or existing homes bought by first home buyers was 7% more than in 2016. Meanwhile, filings for unemployment benefits fell to a 5-week low, suggesting tightening in a labour market there already operating at full capacity. Wall Street rose for the first time in 3 days, even as most global markets slumped in the wake of the Federal Reserve minutes that seemed to boost the prospect for tighter monetary policy. The dollar fell as US Treasuries rose. And Chinese markets rose on their first day back from their week-long Spring Festival holiday. Retail and restaurant businesses did $146 billion in sales during the week-long national holiday, up 10.2% from the same period a year before. And China stopped updating its homegrown version of the VIX index, taking another step to discourage speculation in equity-linked options after authorities tightened trading restrictions last week. In Canada, there was an unexpected fall in retail sales for them in December. In Germany, their respected IFO Business Sentiment Index fell more than a minor flattening that was expected. And the ECB released minutes of its last policy review meeting, and that revealed that they are watching with concern the growing beggar-thy-neighbour policies out of Washington. In Australia, their Banking Royal Commission published an issues paper on the mortgage broking industry, clearly signalling that that sector is also up for scrutiny. In New York, the US Treasury 10-year yield is marginally higher than at this time yesterday at 2.92%. After the US Fed released minutes yesterday, that did rise to 2.95% at one point. The gold price is up $2 to $1,330 an ounce. And oil prices are up strongly today by more than $1 a barrel, with the US benchmark now just under $63 and the Brent benchmark just under $66.50 a barrel. And the Kiwi dollar is little change this morning at 73.5 US cents. Other cross rates were up to 93.6 Aussie cents, however, and holding at 59.6 euro cents. That leaves the TWI virtually unchanged at 74.5. And Bitcoin is down under 10,000 again, now at $9,853. That is a 7% fall from this time yesterday, and recall yesterday fell 9.8% from the day before. I'm David Chaston. That was 90 at 9, brought to you by interest.co.nz.